Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine has a total capacity of 20 pounds, which allows for larger laundry loads compared to the portable washing machine, which has a capacity of 15 liters. This makes the Giantex a better option for those who need to wash more clothes at once, while the portable washing machine is ideal for smaller, lighter loads. The Giantex washing machine is a semi-automatic model, which means it requires manual intervention between wash and spin cycles. In contrast, the portable washing machine is fully automatic, simplifying the laundry process. This difference can significantly impact user experience, especially for those who prefer a hands-free approach. When it comes to price, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is priced at $159, making it a more significant investment. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is available for just $78, which makes it a more budget-friendly option. Depending on your needs and budget, this could be a deciding factor in your choice. In conclusion, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine offers a larger capacity and semi-automatic operation, making it suitable for those who need to wash more clothes. However, if you prioritize compactness, ease of use, and affordability, the portable washing machine may be the better choice. Consider your laundry needs and space constraints when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.